Our PIC valves are tested to BREEA standards and use high-quality materials to ensure linear performance for optimal control valve authority. Enjoy flexibility with a variety of actuator options, measurement points, and a wide range of differential pressures and flow rates. Our products are designed to help you create, implement, and maintain a system that minimizes performance gaps, leading to energy and cost savings throughout its life cycle. Since 2010, Qingdao AMSA has been a trusted valve manufacturer, excelling in HVAC solutions with a focus on our innovative pressure-independent control valve (PIC) technology. We have supplied to international clients for 10 years and are selling to more than 50 countries worldwide.
UAE, Australia, Brazil, Mexico, and widely used in projects such as Milan Expo, Fiat Workshop, Shangri-La Hotel, Kerry Center, Petrobras, GE Workshop. Service, quality is our core competitiveness. To create value to customers is our greatest wealth. What can we do for you? How can we do better? We warmly welcome customers from home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.